gaming, DeFi, SocialFi. These are some of the most popular narratives in cryptocurrency today, with many projects reaching billions of users and gaining massive followings seemingly overnight. In today's video, we're going to be taking a sponsored look at a new crypto project called StoryFire and their Blaze token, which is set to hit the market and launch very soon. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. Social media has absolutely exploded in the last 10 years with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, aka X, and many platforms reaching millions of users and billions and trillions of views. But interacting with your community can certainly be challenging, especially across all the different platforms. And with content being the largest commodity in the world today, it's not just about what you create, but how you're able to engage with your audience as well. And this is what StoryFire and their Blaze token are really all about at its core. Now, StoryFire comes from some humble roots and was started by a YouTuber named Jesse, aka McJuggernuggets, and he built the initial platform to increase his user interaction and engagement and engage with his community on a more personal level. He also brought in many other successful YouTubers, but unfortunately the project ran out of money and has now been bought out. Fast forward to today, the team behind StoryFire has now taken the reins and has been rebuilding over the last 2 years and is ready to launch now to the Web3 world. So now let me share with you their overarching vision in this quick 1-minute video. I think they've done a really great job highlighting a lot of the things that we're about to discuss in the video, because you might be asking yourself, well, what exactly is StoryFire then and the Blaze token? Let's go ahead and watch this video and find out.
StoryFire fueled by the Blaze token, where your gaming co-ops with social. Sign up now to begin your journey and earn your first few Blaze. What is the Blaze token and how do you use it? It's a shareable store of value, from tipping, promoting, reacting, to unlocking exclusive content. Blaze empowers your every interaction. Watch as every like, comment, and share transforms into Blaze, enriching your StoryFire experience. Dive into a world where your creativity and engagement bring endless rewards. StoryFire Oasis, our gaming hub, a place where your Blaze grows with every adventure and is seamlessly usable across the entire ecosystem. Set your world ablaze with endless possibilities. Join StoryFire today.
So as you can see, this isn't just another platform, but they really plan on revolutionizing Web3 by seamlessly integrating their SocialFi, GameFi, and DeFi, creating a very unified experience like never before. In fact, StoryFire simplifies the connection between all three of these by creating a hub for all content and engagement. So here's how everything is going to work. There's really three main things to know about StoryFire's current ecosystem. They have their Oasis, the SocialFi, and the DeFi, and all of this is going to be powered by their Blaze token. Now, the Oasis is the key pillar within the StoryFire ecosystem that's going to have 9 mini games and 3 exclusive secret parts, each going live once the platform launches. And alongside this, there's going to be various token utilities that are going to be in-game. For example, you're going to be able to buy a plot of land and build, earn, and customize your skins and NFTs. You'll also be able to create, advertise, and earn with StoryFire's Oasis. Now, they also have their SocialFi, and this is the backbone of their success today, which already has over 2 million users to date. And their SocialFi platform encourages collaborations through the Blaze token, where you can tip to increase visibility, as well as being able to gain access to your favorite creators and exclusive content. There's also going to be numerous incentives and use cases for their user base to use, earn, and trade Blaze tokens within the SocialFi ecosystem. And third is their DeFi, which is going to introduce their own wallet system across all platforms in collaboration with their partner Life DeFi Wallet. The integration of the wallet will bring decentralization to this entire ecosystem, where users are going to be able to freely trade and transfer their Blaze tokens across the StoryFi ecosystem, as well as other dApps and platforms. Now, compared to their main competitors, you're going to be able to access crypto rewards, have a native token, engage to earn, buy back and burn, play to earn, have a platform creator fund, as well as creator passive income. So now let's dive into some more statistics and get into the tokenomics of this cryptocurrency launch. You see, right now they have over 2 million total users with over 162,000 daily active users. And this project already has created revenue of over $900,000 this quarter. And they also have over 1,100 KOLs and influencers that have already been onboarded and are using this platform. Now, the initial market cap of this crypto when it launches, the Blaze token that is only going to be $161,000. But more on that in just a second. Let's get into another key tokenomic here of this entire project. You see, each month there's going to be a buyback and burn of 10% of the revenue, which is going to be used to purchase Blaze tokens off exchanges and be burned. You might be asking yourself, well, where is the revenue going to be coming from? Well, according to their X account, the revenue streams are currently in advertisement, premium subscriptions, in-game revenue, and many more. They offer a diverse revenue stream, ensuring sustainability and growth for creators and the platform alike. So here are their current tokenomics. They had a seed round at 3.33%, which is locked for 5 months and has 9-month vesting. KOL round, which is locked for 1 month with 4-month vesting. Community round, which was 1.11%, which also, according to their X account, sold out in less than 30 minutes. And the average deposit was over $500. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you even more about how you can trade this cryptocurrency in just a minute. And there is still opportunity to be one of the early investors if you decide to do so. Now, they're also having a public sale, which is now live on Decubate. Now, I am an ambassador with them, and I'm going to teach you right now how this whitelisting process will work. Now, you only have right now, at the time of this recording, around 12 hours to whitelist left. And this is why it's so important to keep coming back to this channel, as these videos are very time sensitive. But if you did want to participate with Decubate, simply head on over to their website. And if you already have your tokens staked, simply then click on the whitelisting button and confirm in your wallet to join the whitelist. Now, once you have joined the whitelist, then your allocation, depending upon your tier, should show up in your account within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, they also have a treasury, operation reserve, liquidity and marketing, team allocation, a platform fund, creator user rewards, Web3 community, and platform advisory and ecosystem partners fund. This is very standard across the board for most crypto projects. Now, previously, the fully diluted market cap for this crypto was set at 9 million. But the team has recently updated the fully diluted market cap valuation to only 8 million, which is a really big deal in their tokenomics. Also see the relevant prices for investors, how much they've raised, the total number of tokens, and the fully diluted valuation of the tokens as well. Now, this token is also packed with many different utilities, such as tipping, promotion, in-game purchases, exclusive content, paid polls, StoryFire suites, their Inkling AI, and their creator plan. And here is an overview of the current team behind the project. The team is reached more than 15.5 million subscribers. In fact, it may even be as high as 30 million subscribers at the time of this recording. Now, according to the Google Play Store, they also have over 500,000 downloads and over 692 Apple Store downloads. And Tokens.com also announced the sale of the Metaverse Group and Hulk Labs to StoryFire. This was also posted on Yahoo Finance, and this is taking place on March 1st. The StoryFire is also partnered by some of the biggest in the game today, as you can see right here on their website. So now that you know even more about this project, when is the token launch and where can you trade it? Well, the token launch is happening here in April, and the IDO dates have been announced over on Decubate. Now, the whitelisting period for this project will begin on the 17th of April and will end on the 23rd. So by the time that you're watching this video, it's very time sensitive because this project's round on Decubate is going to be closing very soon. And that's why you smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss these time sensitive videos. Now, the first come first serve round is going to be on the 24th at 9 AM UTC. The total allocation on Decubate is going to be $275,000. It's also going to be a 7-day TGE protection refunding policy. Investing is going to be the following: 20% TGE, 1-month cliff, 4-month linear vesting. Now, the token price of the public round is going to be 0.00045, and it's going to be on the Binance Smart Chain. So make sure to follow them over on Telegram, over their Twitter, as well as discovering more on StoryFire.com for more updates. The StoryFire is also going to be incubated on other launch pads like AI TechPad. So for more information about their token launch, make sure to follow them over on their X account. I believe this is going to be time sensitive, and the token generation event is going to be only a matter of days away from the time of this recording. Thanks for watching today's review video. We look forward to reviewing more cryptocurrency projects in the future. We'll see you in the next ones. Stay tuned.